How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing a forearm workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. The exercise that we will be doing today is gonna be hand circles. So this is a great exercise for our forearms. We'll be doing 10 repetitions. We'll do 5 sets, 50 repetitions. Video will be a little over 5 minutes long. And again, this exercise is really gonna work our forearms hard. I think 10 reps is a good number. Maybe next time we'll do 20 reps, but for now, I think 10 reps is good. So let's get started right now. All we're gonna do is go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, easy peasy, 10 reps in. We're gonna take a little bit of a break, around a 40-second break, and then we're gonna continue to do this. Again, this exercise I love doing just because it's a little bit different than most exercises. Most exercises are like a twist or a squeeze or something like that. This exercise is just a little bit different. You can also do this exercise behind your back, which puts a little bit of a variation into the exercise. Just makes it a little bit more difficult, in my opinion. So yeah, we will do that exercise as well, but for now we're just gonna do with the video with the hands in front of us. My 5th video of the day, you guys. So I'm killing it, really doing well. Thing that kind of sucks after this though is I will have 3 workout vids in a row. So that's gonna be a little bit tough. Yeah. Be a little bit tough, but we'll get her. Okay, do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If this is too easy too, feel free to do 20 repetitions. That is fine too. 20 repetitions, 5 sets. That's gonna give you guys 100 total repetitions, which is quite a bit for your forearms. But in my opinion, a little bit more volume is better. And the only reason we're doing 10 today is because I feel most people can do 10. Some people may struggle to get 20 in. And again, if you do forearm exercise, if you do enough repetitions, your forearms will be absolutely burning. So there is a limit to how many reps you can do, in my opinion. Baby, yeah. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can go the other way too. Right now we are going clockwise. You can go counterclockwise if you want, but right now we're going clockwise. But yeah, 5th video of the day, just killing it. Again, every day minimum, I try to hit 3 vids, but I like to hit 9. That's kind of the goal every day, is to make 9 vids. Really good day, I'll hit 12. Really bad day, I won't get any. And if I don't get any one day, I feel super bad. And then the next day I try to get more, like a lot more. So like yesterday, I missed yesterday, didn't make any vids. So today I'm gonna try to make up for it, try to get 12 vids in. Okay, we'll do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy peasy, my friends. But yeah, after this, I have a push-up video to do, a Kegel video, and then an ab video. So 3 workouts, gonna be 10 reps, 10 sets, 300 repetitions for all 3 vids. All 3 vids combined, it's gonna be 300 repetitions. Okay, we'll do another 10 and then we are done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram at DylanBurke999. Thanks.